Hello, friends. Now, India is going to face a radical revolution that we are introduced to 5G network. So, we should know further more details about 5G. The questions like what is 5G, and it is one of the most searched in the Google. 5G is the fifth generation coming after 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G. The main advantage of the new network is that they will have greater bandwidth and giving higher download speeds than eventually up to 10 gigabyte per second. The prominent or the very eminent potential of 5G is that the connectivity becomes more dense. Its performance starts from 50 megabyte per second to over a gigabyte by second. Then lag-free network which guarantees connection. In today, during this pandemic, the online education we have introduced to online education and work at home, and this time the major drawback is that we faces acute internet shortages. So by the introduction of 5G in India, online classes and work at home will be drastically revolutionized by the fastest network, and the acute network issues, which is a great problem now, will also change. Then there is an advancement in the electricity grid and also more connected vehicles sharing data to prevent road collisions. Then it is fastest development of emergency services in especially the accidents. Then there is connected sensors that can detect and warn the natural disasters early. That is the earthquake like something, that earthquake like disasters can be detected earlier. Then there would be connected sensors that improves country's security, that a person who is coming to India to visit India, we can check and sense the works or the activities of that person in India, especially during the crowds and the festivals and everything, and the people gathering places in India. Then the 5G helps in raising business activities that the connection become more dense. Then more possibility for virtual meeting which avoids long distance mobility. Now our meetings have changed into a virtual platform, and everyone is now going in a virtual meeting or meeting in a virtual platform. Then we get a stable and reliable network which avoids network traffic, that in a crowd it is very difficult to get net or internet or any internet or in telecom services. It's because of unstable network. In 5G there is no problem like this. According to the comparison between 5G and 4G, 5G is not different from 4G in radio frequencies, but at the same time, it ensures that the development moves further. It mostly focuses on the developments, and the fastest downloads, uploads process in seconds is the main highlight of 5G. It has enormous potential and it will take us to the next level.